So we're here at Poblacion for business lang. Promise. Business purposes lang. May i-check lang kami. Promise.
This Wednesday.
This Wednesday. Hey! Ako si Jericho. Tamad ako magtrabaho kaya I started my own business. Nang dahil sa isang influencer at celebrity, medyo nakilala ang business ko. Welcome to a life of simple, poor business owner. Please excuse the hairy face. How are you all doing, guys? It's really been a long time na huling nag-video ako. And I was watching all the videos, all my past videos. Sobrang nakikringe ako kasi OA kung magsalita. Like, English speaking ako sa mga vlogs ko.
Whatever do I need to do for me to avoid this issue?
Well, I am doing my best to kasi syempre may mga friends tayong foreigner and I want them to understand the vlog. So I won't be putting any subtitles. So again, kaya naman ako nag-video. It's for my friends and my family for documentation of my life. And yeah, when I was browsing everything, I just thought na bakit hindi uli ako mag-vlog? Kasi lately I was so busy with the business. I was so busy with a lot of things. And sobrang nafe-feel ko na parang pagod. So ayun, I decided to go back vlogging. So yeah. Am I really back? So today is actually Saturday. Medyo late na ako nagising kasi for you guys, for your information, every Saturday it's our rest day. So wala kaming pakailaman ni Mama kung ano oras kami magigising, ano oras kami matutulog. So ayan, late ako nagising. So ayan, nakapaglinis na si Mama. Actually, ang dami nang nagawa ni Mama. And ako nag-bake lang ako or nag-prepare lang ako ng pizza for merienda. And ayan siya, nasa kwarto na siya. She's preparing herself for bed and we're gonna go to church tomorrow. So ako ayan, ayos lang ako ng documents, tas may mga inayos lang ako na gimmick for the business. And ayan, nag-browse lang ako ng videos on YouTube. I was actually planning to delete some videos pero sabi ko, ba't ko i-delete? And the reason of bakit nga may video sa YouTube ko is for my memories. So I won't be deleting anything kahit nakaka-cringe yung videos na iba. So it's really hard to, to delete that and just forget it. So mas maganda nandiyan na yan. So every time na I wanted to go back and watch it, it's there. It's something good to share to the family and friends. Actually, to be honest with you, nasusurprise ako yung mga friends ko. Pinapanood nila yung vlog ko sa bahay nila. Sa malaking TV pa. So, ayan. I don't know what to say. I'm not really used to vlog again. And hindi ko alam kung meron pang mga gustong manood ng buhay ko or someone is so interested in my life. I don't know. But yeah, let's just enjoy and let's have fun. Yeah. Okay, so I turned off the light because I wanted to be more relaxing. Look at guys, so how my hairline is getting up. It's getting higher and higher the more I aged. So ayan, I turned off the light because I wanted to be more focused. There's only one task left for me before I go to bed. So let me show you something. So these are the things that I'm doing lately. So I took some pictures of my products. Kasi naman mag-hire pa ako ng photographer na alam ko naman sa sarili kung kaya ko naman gawin. So ayan, I took some pictures of it. Kasi surprisingly, some of our new customers, they really don't know kung ano yung business namin, kung ano si Burger Burger House. So nagugulat na lang kami na, syempre tatanong ko na how did you find us? Paano nyo kami nahanap? Ganyan. Most of the new customers actually some of them are lolos and lolas. They are visiting the Philippines. And some of them are foreigners. So some of them want to see a menu na merong picture. So, kaya ko to ginagawa. I need to take pictures of each item, tas i-update ko yung menu ko. So, ito yung mga ilalagay ko sa menu ko ngayon. Kaya kailangan ko silang picturean lahat. So, ayan, ako na nagpipicture, ako nag-edit. And syempre, it's really hard to take a picture of it while operating Monday to Friday. Eh, Saturday din naman kami open. And it's really difficult kasi nga, thank God, laging sold out. So, walang natitirang buns, walang natitirang chicken, walang natitirang patties, cheese, and whatsoever. So, walang time for Saturday and Sunday to take pictures. So, the only picture na pwede kong gawin is Monday to Friday. And ang hirap din isundot kasi nga, every time na magsaset up ako ng picture, may bibili, magkakaroon ng customer. So, it's really hard. But, syempre, kailangan mo sundutan. Multitask lang talaga. So, ayan, I'm doing my best to take up pictures of these items. As of now, I only have like 5 photos of it. Eh, ilan ang item ko? Parang it's more than 10, but not more than 20. So, fingers crossed. Hopefully, I can finish this as soon as possible para, somehow natatapos ko yung task isa-isa. And kuripot ako, guys. It's not me to hire someone to do this for me. Kasi I know to myself na I can do this. And yeah. Wish me a good luck. Good night. Good morning. Thank you, Kuya. It's church time. Good morning, Mayara. Butter, say hi to the vlog.
Who else is worthy? There is no one, only you, Jesus. Who else is worthy? Who else is worthy? There is no one,
Super init!
only you.
Sabi ko kanina sa post ko, I feel 200% energized. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang wala akong sakit. Parang everything is okay. Parang akong pinanganak ulit. Yung energy ko to the highest level. Maybe that's the power of Jesus Christ. So we're done sa church. We're heading off to Market. We're gonna claim the funds. Tapos, sa bahay na kami kakain. We don't want to disappoint ourselves. Kasi minsan pag kumakain kami sa labas, di kami nasasarapan. So sa bahay na lang kami magla-lunch. Sana, go mom! Takbo! Itakbo mo yan! Got our buns! Now we're heading back home. Someone is having fun. Relax. How much to? Mama is so lucky kasi it's my second time booking pa lang yung electric car. So matatry niya na yan. Last time it was free. Pero ngayon may bayad. There's our ride. We're using energy fuel. Hi Kuya, good afternoon. Kino-convince ko nga sila Rowie na ito ang i-book. Mga ganito para iwas sa pollution. You can book kasi minsan for free. You might be wondering what's for lunch. So we're preparing chicken. I requested chicken yesterday. And I requested broccoli. Unfortunately, broccoli is so expensive. We're down to cauliflower. So it's gonna be 6 chicken, Just for the two of us. Yes, 6 chicken. Just for us. Correct. So what I usually do with this kind of vegetables, I add hot water. Tapos I will add salt. Kasi this is the best way to clean the vegetable. So ayan, add hot water, then salt. Para in case na meron siyang mga vegetable worms, lalabas siya. Just let it sit for 5 minutes, then wash it. This is somehow half cooked already. You know, I remember my dog. I used to have a dog who loves cauliflower so much. His name is Happy. So I miss it so much, Happy. I know you're here. Do you want some? Oh my gosh. I'm about to cry now. Now we're gonna cook this. We're just gonna add butter, salt, and pepper. That's it. Salt, butter, and peppers. Here is the semi-toasted cauliflower. Sunday is too long for me, so I decided to go to IKEA. So I need to check some stuff. The only reason I'm here is I returned the lamp that I ordered last week. I don't like it. So I have to return it, and at the same time I want to roam around and look for some stuff. Yeah, this makes me happy. I'm also thinking of getting this whole body mirror because I noticed some of my customer wants to take a OOTD shot at the store or a group shot at the mirror. So I'm planning to add a big mirror. My mom will surely love this area because my mom loves flowers. But all of these are fake flowers. Don't surround yourself with fake things. Not good. Okay, so I see some real plants. It's 100 pesos. But if you go to market, there's a lot of plants there. It's only amounting to 30 to 100 pesos. 100 is already big. And that size is just for 50 pesos. This is the one I wanted to purchase, but I wanted the blue one. The blue frame. The only thing that I have right now is the black frame. Ano ba yan? Kung kailan uuwi na ako,
Parang ang dami mong dala.
yung mga sumasama pa dito. I miss my dog so much. Super tagal ko nang walang aso. I know some of you knows that I'm a dog lover. I used to have, ang pinakamatagal ata sa akin si Fifi, si Sofia. That's the first one. The second one is nanganak siya. So si Coco tsaka si Lulu. Tatlo. Then, binigyan ako ng aso ng friend ko, si Blackie. Unfortunately, 4 sila namatay. Then, may binigay sa akin bagong aso, yung tita ko, si Happy. He was super duper nice. He's a very Instagrammable dog. He is the dog I imagined na ilalakad ko sa BGC. Unfortunately, he also died. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko nahawa kasi siya ng virus ng mga dogs ko before. Eh di ba naglalast yung parvo sa bahay ng siguro mga tagal, mga ilang years bago mawala yung virus. So sabi ko, I told myself na if I have a new home, I have a new place to stay. I'm gonna get a dog for sure. Yeah, so I miss my dog so much. So I'm eating marshmallow right now. Kasi kanina, dumighay ako. Tapos parang sobrang ma-acid. And according to them, white marshmallow is really helpful when it comes to acidity. Let's check. Hey Google, is white marshmallow good for acidity?
On the website cookingpanda.com, they say, yes, marshmallow can be helpful for acid reflux due to its soothing properties. It forms a protective layer in the stomach and reduces irritation, relieving acid reflux symptoms.
You done? See? We learn new things every day.
Jerbaloo, 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 baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, 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 baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, 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 baloo, baloo, jerbaloo, jerbaloo. Teka, sino ba yung jerbaloo?